So this is a review of the Saddlemen, which I've recently installed and replaced the stock seat, because this one's now 20 years old and it is pretty bad. You got to get a sore backside after about an hour of riding, and then you got to stop pretty much every half an hour after that. So as you can see, really good leather, and now it's got the little backrest there, kind of sort of the back lower hips area, whereas this one, the stock seat, as you can see, it's got a little bit, but not as pronounced as this one here. It's also got the pillion seat here, which is great, a lot thicker, more comfortable than the original stock seat. So this is on a Triumph America, and I'm in Australia, and I'm pretty sure the website I got it from is partsoutlet.com.au. They import all sorts of motorcycle accessories and gear for nearly any bike that you have. And as you can see, it's kind of, the way it's kind of leaning at the moment, it's kind of sloped down towards the tank. But in the manual it says, because I was concerned about that, I sat on it and it's kind of leaning forward, and I was thinking this is, you know, it's pretty shit. But it actually compresses a bit, and it can go down to about an inch. So once it settles in, once it gets, you know, formed to your backside, basically, it'll settle in, it'll settle down, and yeah. So I'm going to go for a ride, and we'll do a bit of vlogging and just give you what my thoughts are on the road as I ride, because that's the main reason we get them, is to have a more enjoyable, comfortable ride. And I'll give you my thoughts and opinions on what this seat is like, especially on the Triumph America, which this seat actually suits all Triumph Americas and Speedmasters, and they use the same design on each, for this seat, for each of those models up to, so this is 2005, so from 2002 to 2018, I think, this seat can fit those years of Speedmasters and Americas. Let's hit the road and give you my thoughts on the road. Let's go.
So I'm about only 10 minutes into the ride, so I'll give you a few different impressions along the ride. So now 10 minutes, so probably about half an hour, and then 2 hours. And so at the moment, yeah, it's comfortable. The leather's actually soft right out of the gate. It's not firm, and you can feel the comfort already. I think they've got gel seating in it, so which yeah, it's just that adds that next level of comfort. And so I feel the backrest, so it's kind of, yeah, above my hips, just in line with the top of my hips pretty much. So it's good enough that it supports you, but it doesn't, like, there's no backrest, so you can't really lean right back and expect it to sit right back. So there's enough support there to make it just that much more comfortable. And a lot of actual different riders, so I've watched a few videos, and one thing they say about the backrest is if you know, if you've got a really powerful bike, this is only 62 horsepower or something, but if you got, you know, something 100 horsepower or 200 even, that, you know, you got that bit of stoppage there, so it doesn't keep pushing you right back if you give it some gas. So yeah, so it's pretty comfortable, and yeah, no aches or pains. It's a bit different to my last seat, so your body kind of has to get used to it. And now, so here we are at Gundaroo. So it's that's about half an hour ride now. So just sitting on 100 for a while, and had to move position a bit and sort of get a bit sore. But my butt's not really getting that sore. It was more my hips bit of upper lower back just been slouching. But no, it's still a great day. Oh, just one thing compares to the last seat, which was actually because I had the Hawk, not Eagle Hawk, the cushion on my stock seat, which made it more comfortable. So I was actually a bit high on that, and because I got these new bars, I'm sitting back a bit. So previously with the other bars, I was up here, I could feel the wind more. So I'm sitting back a fraction a bit lower because I'm sitting back more, and sitting on 100 is much more comfortable than what I was. So if you want to see me install these bars here, change my stock ones to these bars, which are great. These are buckhorn bars, so they're almost like ape hangers. They're kind of mini ape hangers, but they just come back and make it a more comfortable ride. So I'll chuck a little link above there if you want to go watch that video. Just click that. Anyway, let's go. And one more thing, I just went over a bridge there, which was quite bumpy. I've been over a few bumps, and this seat definitely cushions the blow on your backside hitting the bumps. But I still got the stock shocks on, so when I replace those shocks, it'll be even better. Right. But yep, so good so far. So this is Gunning, small little town, village, not sure of the population. Oh, I got a smile. My speed is good. Don't see main streets in town with grass growing up the middle like this, do you? Very often. Definitely not. So far it's been definitely an hour, and yeah, my butt's not sore by now. On my stock seat, it definitely would have been aching. I'd have to pull over somewhere and have a chat to those cows back there before I get back on the bike. But so far so good with this seat. I was going to call it a couch. So it's kind of like a couch. Great leather. The leather on it is fantastic. Is really good leather, and definitely lasts a lifetime. Definitely. We'll find out anyway. So just riding through the bush here, some back road. Might hit dirt, not sure. We'll find out. So I've just stopped here at Marilla Uniting Church, just down this road, on the side of the road. Never been down here before. So I've been riding now for about an hour 20 roughly, and I was starting to get a sore bum and backside, and I had to stop and stretch. So that's not bad for a brand new seat, not run in, and this seat takes maybe, they recommend, you know, could take a few thousand k's to break in and form to your body. So just do a little walk around. See, so she's already hot from stopping here in the sun for not even 5 minutes yet. But yeah, great seat. No complaints yet. See how, yeah, it kind of slopes down towards the tank. So I really start to notice that just in the last 20 minutes, I suppose. But kind of helps with the highway pegs. You can prop yourself up, and then going, if you're braking downhill, you kind of, I did sort of slip forward a little bit, but you know, look how soft it is. Even the pillion seat. So, and then it's kind of
shaping, it's got a shape to the bike yet too, probably. You can kind of see the crease there, then it's kind of sort of moved forward a little bit already. That mark there was from the old seat, and so once this compresses more, forms a bit more to the bike, that'll slip forward. And I've noticed it's already moved forward a little bit since I've had the seat on, since I'm only riding, what, how many Ks? 190 Ks on the clock, so I've probably done maybe 250 Ks on this Saddlemen seat. So yeah, recommended. Just saw this little wasp or something. Little wasp taking a little ride with me. You see him down there? Bloody hitchhiker. Anyway, we're gonna have a drink and get back on the road. We've got a bit of ways to get home yet. So there's windmills up there, you probably can't see very well. It's Sunday, a few horses there, a few ponies there under the tree. Anyway, with the cemetery. Anyway, so that's it. That's a review of the Saddlemen seat for the Triumph America. Who did I get it through? From got the seat through partsoutlet.com.au here in Australia. Shipped from the states where they make them, and yeah, recommended. If you got this seat, yeah, chuck us a comment. Let us know, you know, what you think of the seat. Or if you got a different seat, let us know what you think of your seat. So anyway, thanks for joining. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, or you know, whatever, you know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and see you on the road. Safe travels. Ciao. Let's do an unboxing, eh? This is the Saddlemen Explorer. Ooh, here we go. Ooh. 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 Check, yes. Oh. Oh. Okay, yeah. So you can, ooh, what's this? Just oh, seat broke. Oh, it didn't. That's fine. Don't worry about that one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here it is. Get that knife out of the bloody way. We don't want to cut the seat. That would be disastrous. Here we go. Oh, wait, we might need it actually. Got a cable tie here. Oh, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I've been wanting a seat for my bike since I got the bike, since first riding it, because it is now 20 years old, that seat, and it hurts your ass after half an hour. Oh. Say hello to my little friend. So Tassie's coming up, and we can really test it out there. User guide, installation instructions, warnings. Oh yeah, so it comes with a rear mounting bracket. Just got to spin around. Oh, we're done on this, huh? Oh, it's riveted in. So, alright, let's do a close up. So here she is. Oh, look at that. Got the bit of a sort of rest on the back there compares to the stock one. Pillion seat. Nice and thick. As you can see there. Saddlemen. Ooh. Date code 24258. So that's probably the 25th of the 8th, 24. Sewing is by Mr. M. And there's our little rubber bit for the back when we put the nut through. Lovely. And see how it's really nice material, so it's not going to scratch your paint. But I was actually watching a few videos where these rivets actually can scratch the paint, but they seem like they're sort of embedded enough and the actual leather is sitting up high enough that it shouldn't touch the paint. Oh, ho, ho, ho.